Hello everyone, I'm Amanda Blanks and welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. We have another Pleaser high heel review for you today. This is a brand new shoe and it's already on low inventory, so you have to get in quick on this one. It's a 7-inch red and black ADORE-764. Let's have a look. Oh my god, look at this. So it has a red fade into black, 7-inch, very, very beautiful heel. It's red and black shiny. You'll be able to see that in the light. Lots of straps and everything like that. It looks super, super cool. This is a full-on designer shoe. And then you've got the memory foam underneath the fake leather. I'm pretty sure this is vegan leather. Yeah, Pleaser does vegan leather. So it's all good for the animals. Adjustable strap, and you can slide that depending on your ankle size. This looks amazing. Grippy bottom, and this is a size 7, which is my normal size. Packaging is always absolutely amazing. With Pleaser, they really put in a lot of effort to keep their shoes gorgeous because they are a very high quality high heel. Take all this out. They smell really nice. Like, they smell like, you know when you buy like a new car or something, like just the plastic and the leather look, it just smells really good. So that is what it's like. And then this bit also wraps around the shoe. Like, everything just looks really quality on this one, and I love the red fade to black. 7 inches are really good for me because I'm not the tallest person in the world, so they make you look nice and long and tall in your legs. And they're really great if you're wearing a dress. Like, you can imagine these just popping out underneath the dress when you're out at night, or if you're in a bikini comp or something like that. They'll just look amazing. So let's slide these on. You can wear like a black dress or a red one. Really good for a night out. And just with Pleaser, they really only make a few in each size of their shoes so that everyone doesn't have the same shoe. So really, if you want this one, you've got to get in quick or else they do sell out, and we get a lot of people sending us messages saying they've missed out. So you don't want to be one of those people if this is a shoe that you really like. They look so fantastic on, so high class. I'm really liking these. Let's give these 7 inches a go. Very easy to walk in. That grippy sole is something that Pleaser do so well. So you're really going to feel nice and stable. I'll give you guys a bit of a twirl. And then a side view. And this is a brand new style that's come in 2020. Pleaser have really been doing a lot of the red and black look. It's a very 2020 trend this year, so get on top of that. I love these shoes, they're so nice. And just remember to like and subscribe on our channel so you never miss a video from us. We're always getting in new stock, and we're always getting the newest type of Pleaser shoes, so we're at the forefront of getting all those shoes when they first come out, so you never miss anything. And you can be one of the first to be running around these in Australia or America or wherever you live. All right, let's head outside, guys, and see what they look like in the sun. It's a beautiful day here in Brisbane. We're at the shop, which is northern Brisbane. So if you're in the area, come up, have a look in the store. We have hundreds of shoes. I might be here doing a video. Who knows? Oh, look at that breeze. It's like walking on my catwalk out here. Hopefully you can still hear me. Now it's sticking to my lip gloss. Give you guys a close-up look in the sun. And you can see how the red fades to black, and that just bit of shininess adds that extra class to it as well. They're such a unique shoe. I have never seen any heels that look like this. And they are a 7-inch, by the way, just if you wanted to know. In a size 7, so they're true to size. Please are really good with that type of thing as well. Another car coming, spying on me in the car park. All right, let's head on back inside. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking about this shoe. Again, this is the ADORE-764 in red and black. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Amanda and we'll see you next time. Bye.